Welcome, students. In this video, I will show you an example of how to use the mean value theorem to find a solution that I'm going to explain right now. So suppose you have a function f of x equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. And then the exercise tells us we need to find a value c on an interval one to 3 such that the average rate of change over the interval is equal to the instantaneous rate of change at c. Okay, so the function we're going to be working today is going to be a polynomial, a second degree polynomial. Okay, to first apply the mean value theorem, we need to find conditions. So we need to find conditions for mean value theorem. Because, so the first one, because f of x is a polynomial, then f of x is continuous on all real numbers. So this is good because it will be continuous, and then we can say e.g. 1, 3. Now the second condition is that polynomials are differentiable everywhere. Example, yeah, it will be 1, 3. So conditions are met. So this is good. So we can say good conditions for mean value theorem are met. And we can go ahead and use it. Okay, so let me grab a new page. Okay, so the polynomial is f of x equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. And then the interval is 1, 3. Okay. So we're going to take the derivative f prime of x, and that's going to be equal to 2x plus 2. And now Now we need to find the rate of change, is the average rate of change. So, and we say that f of 1 is equal to 1 squared plus 2 times 1 plus 1. That is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 1, which is 4. And then f of 3 is equal to 3 squared plus 2 times 3 plus 1, which is equal to 9 plus 6 plus 1, which is equal to 16. Now the average, so now we do the average, so we can say that f of b minus f of a is equal to, and then over b minus a is equal to, I'm going to do 16 minus 4 over 3 minus 1, which is 16 minus 4, that's equal to 12 over 2, so that's equal to 6. And then, because of the mean value theorem, so we can say mean value theorem, we can say that 6 equal to f prime of c, and that's equal to 2c plus, okay, 1 second, let me look for something here. Yeah, 2x plus 1 okay, so 2c, so from here we get the derivative, and then go here, so 2c plus 2. And now we can solve for c. So solve for c, that means that 2c plus 2 is equal to 6. And that implies that we move to the other side, so -2, -2. That implies that 2c is equal to 4. Divide by 2, divide by 2. And then this implies that c is equal to 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So we find such c. And we can say, and we can show that 6 is equal to 2 times 2 plus 2, which is, and then 6 equals to 2 times 2 is 4 plus 2, 6 equal to 6. So MVT works for this example. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you very much. See you soon.